Handbags here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and you enjoy watching handbag unboxings, bag reveals, accessories, and a little bit of fashion, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. In today's video, guys, I am coming to share with you guys another birthday bag unboxing that I got from hubby, and it is a Spade unboxing. Now, before we get right into the unboxing, guys, this particular bag that hubby ended up purchasing for me, I have been wanting this silhouette in my collection for a little minute, and I actually was going to pick up something from Coach in this silhouette, and then I was like, let me go check out Michael Kors, Dooney, and Kate Spade and see if they have a bag in this silhouette that I like better than the one over at Coach, and Kate Spade did it, y'all. Now, here is the box, and I am excited to see this bag in person. The stock photos on this bag, you know, looked gorgeous, and the leather looked gorgeous as well, and I am excited to see this bag in person. I'm excited to see how big this bag is in person. So I am going to try to open her up so that you guys can see. Now, while I'm opening the box, this bag did come in 3 sizes. So it does come in the large, which is what hubby picked up for me. But it also comes in, I believe, a regular size and a mini size as well too. Alright, so that is how it looks in the inside. This bag is big, y'all. Alright, hold on. Alright, so that is what it looks like in the inside of the box. So as you guys can see, she is big, y'all. Alright, let's move this box out of the way. Oh yeah, she is big, y'all. Alright, so here she is. This is the Kate Spade large halo bucket bag, y'all. Oh my goodness. Hubby did pick this up in the color Hot Fudge, y'all. Hot Fudge. Oh, and I've been wanting a nice, deep, dark chocolate bag, so I'm really hoping that this is what this is. Oh. Do y'all see it on the side? This color is gorgeous, y'all. Oh, she is so pretty. Oh my goodness. She is beautiful. All right, y'all. Let's get into it. So the halo. Why did I pick up the halo? So originally I wanted to get the Coach Bleecker bucket bag, right? I've been seeing a lot of unboxings and she just looked absolutely gorgeous. But it was just something about the Bleecker that just was not drawing me in to say that I needed to add her to my collection. So when I went on the hunt, I saw this gorgeous bag, and immediately when I saw her, what grabbed my attention, y'all, was the buckle detailing on this gorgeous bag, y'all. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright, do y'all see this? Here we go. Do y'all see that buckle detailing? That O-ring got me. It got me, y'all. That is just so gorgeous. It says Kate Spade on there, and it has the logo on there as well too. Like, that is what got me, y'all. It got me, and I was like, I was like, yep, this is what I want for my birthday right here. Thank you, appreciate it. That is the other side. And I was like, yes, she can be adjusted just like the bleaker. Absolutely love it. She does have the long strap hanging here down at the bottom. And I was like, I definitely got to get this. She can be worn as a shoulder, but she can also be worn as a crossbody bag as well too. Let's go ahead and jump into the details of this beautiful bag. I did pull my tablet out so that I can go over the measurements and all of that with you. The style number for this bag, if you are interested, is KM252. Okay, and I will pop it up on the screen as well. And the measurements for this bag, the length is 15.6 inches. The height of this bag is 15.2 inches. And then the width of this bag, guys, is 5.7. So she definitely has a nice wide bottom as well too. Now, since we're checking out the bottom, as you can see, she does not have any feet on the bottom, but I am absolutely fine with that. The hardware on this bag is in silver as well too. And like I mentioned earlier, she is adjustable. So you have the adjustments up here for the shoulder, and then the remainder two holes are here at the bottom if you want to wear her as a crossbody. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but she does have like a shiny, this is more like a shiny leather, but it's not like a patent leather shiny. Now, she did come with a dust bag too, y'all. So here is the dust bag. And this one is kind of like a satin dust bag. And it does say, rescue me to help protect precious things and the planet on the dust bag. So that is just what it looks like. And it is a drawstring dust bag as well. So this is a really big dust bag. The interior is gorgeous, y'all. So she has a nice, gorgeous burgundy lining in the inside. On the interior, depending on what side you want to wear this bag, the front doesn't have any slip pockets, but you do get a back zipper compartment on her, on that back wall. She is a magnetic closure. She is so soft, y'all. Oh my gosh. And nice and puddly. Look at that. Oh, she is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, this bag is available in suede as well. So you can pick it up in suede. The large size, there's only like 2 colors available. This hot fudge was part of Kate Spade's summer sale. So I did get this for a really great deal for like about half the price. Now, the original price of this bag currently right now is $4.98, y'all. So she is a little expensive, but she is a gorgeous bag, and I definitely think she is definitely worth all the coins for her. Now, this is in a fine grain leather as well. And the leather on here is so soft. Oh, it feels so good. And it kind of has like a little bit of texture to it, but not a whole lot. It's still a smooth bag, but it does have a little bit of texture to it. Just a little bit. Now, this bag to me is definitely big enough to use as an everyday carry, but also as a work bag, because she can hold a 15-inch laptop in here. Yes, I said it. A 15-inch laptop can fit inside of this gorgeous bag. And this hot fudge color is just so beautiful and great for the fall and winter season as well. Now, you guys know I'm a seasonal girl. I like carrying my bags according to the season as far as the colors go. And this is definitely one of those bags that I will pull out during the fall and winter season. But she can be worn year round. Definitely can be worn year round, y'all. And I could definitely see this being a work bag, but I could see this being a going out bag as well to, you know, just hanging out with the girls or going on a date night. Now she is a large bag, but I can still see me doing it, y'all. I can see me doing it, especially in the fall and winter time with some nice riding boots. Y'all. She is just gorgeous. All right, guys, so this was my birthday unboxing from hubby, and it is the Kate Spade large halo bucket bag in the color Hot Fudge. Let me know your thoughts on this bag down below. And if you guys are interested in picking up this bag, I will make sure to leave the link down below. I will tell you that the Hot Fudge is no longer available on Kate Spade. They do have the suede one on sale, so I will leave the link for the regular large one as well as the regular large suede one. I will leave the links for both of those down below if you're interested in picking this bag up. Of course, once I already carry her, I will come back and share what fits in her, as well as my thoughts on the carry as well. Now, if you stuck with your girl this far, make sure to drop me some green hearts down below to let me know you reached the end of the video, as well as like this video and hype it up. And if for some reason, guys, you are stopping by for the first time, or you stopped by several times, but you still have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free to you guys, and I would truly appreciate it. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.